Let's visit the North Carolina Arboretum in Asheville, North Carolina, and Dix Park in Raleigh, North Carolina to see the Dambo Trolls. Alright, this is the entrance to the North Carolina Arboretum, the next to the last day of the Trolls exhibit, and cars were backed up to the street. You can't see from this perspective how big this parking lot is, but it is absolutely huge, and there's a bazillion people here today. It's just mobbed. A zillion people here. So we're going to show you what it looks like.
Like a cheerleader pose. Hey!
There you go. How much is on cheerleading pose?
Ready? Look at somebody go! Where to? Oh my gosh, I see a Game Boy in his hand. Your chance to either get another one. Yeah. I should have just said no and kept y'all like that. I've got to get Oh, Charlie, I'm sorry. Sorry. Got it? Alright. Did you want to take a picture? Alright. No, I'm here. You did. I'm here. Okay. Well, no. I did not know. I just wanted to make sure. Alright. Do you need help? You got it? Yeah. Look with one hand.
I don't want to bend down all the way.
Should we take some pictures? Oh no! We're not Yeah! Yeah! No! You're holding it just like the picture. Am I? Yeah. Yeah, you can look at the map of my mother.
Oh, okay.
What are you doing there?
This is a huge property with a lot of trails and a lot of walking. You could come out here and get your walking in every day. It's uphill and downhill, so I'm taking advantage of every bench I come to sit down and check the map to figure out where I'm at. It'd be fun to come back in the spring or the summer when all the plants are in bloom.
Carro afuera, ya lo tenemos afuera. Eso ya solo para hacer la compraventa, pues ya está disponible. Ajá. Va, ahí me marcas cuando salga.
And it just keeps going and going and going all through the woods. That's all for this trip.